So this is Burncoat Head. I'm currently walking on the ocean floor, and this is the site of the highest recorded tide in the world, about 16 meters high. I knew it! Let's warm up first. Okay. Bye! So much traffic this morning, eh? I am in Annapolis, or is it called South Annapolis? Annapolis River. The nights are getting cold. I'm gonna be riding 250 kilometers. I'm not sure I found a trail, like a proper trail. So I didn't find a proper trail for a dirt bike, but it's for ATVs. Let's start the day slowly with some gardens. Annapolis Gardens. Is it the entrance? This town feels old. It's like I'm going back in time. Look at those houses. I'm gonna cheat on this one because gardening is not my forte. So the Annapolis Royal Historic Garden showcases gardening method representing more than 400 years of local history. What you see behind me is a reconstructed Acadian house based on pre-deportation, designed using evidence from local archaeological excavation. It's dated 1671. So that's an old house. Let's try and find that trail. Oh. Yeah, not sure I'm allowed on it. So where is it? Let's see, maybe I can jump on it further down the road. Just have to find a way in. The size of that house. It's amazing. I guess someday I'm gonna build a house, and I've got so many ideas here. This town could host like hundreds of weddings every single day. Yeah, I can definitely see bicycles, tracks. I'm gonna be careful. And this is the Annapolis River. You've got the North Mountain Range, and on my right hand side, no, we can't see it, the South Mountain Range. And those mountain ranges go on kilometers on and on to the east. I'm going straight east to Wolfville first, and then I'm gonna try and reach Truro. Is it Bridgetown? Ooh. Okay, this must be the former railway. Looks like it. The station. Yes, that's what it is. Stay on the groom trail. Okay, this way. Wee-hee! Do we have room? Oh, nice of them. Cheers. This one was fully loaded. I counted five people definitely. Morning. Bicycles, kids, family, couple, a dog, ATVs. What's missing? I should start a bingo game. Oh, so that's what it used to look like. It's one big train. Middleton. Now it feels like summertime. Empty streets, burning sun. You could cook an egg on those cars. Everything's closed. Trying to find something to eat. But empty town, old looking. Feels like I traveled back in time. Subway? Really? Everybody was so silent and looking in each other's eyes. You'd think someone just died. Anyway, now I have 150 kilometers to go and see some rocks, because at low tide you can walk on the ocean floor. All those rocks are like a bright red, and I don't want to miss that. So this is Burncoat Head. I'm currently walking on the ocean floor, and this is the site of the highest recorded tide in the world, about 16 meters high. What's even more remarkable is twice a day 100 billion tons of water empties and fills up the bay. So I would be pretty much submerged twice, 3 times over.